Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel Soul Journey. My name is Becca, and today we are going to be unboxing the May 2019 4Ocean bracelet. Now, unfortunately, I think I did see what the color was, but I have no idea what it's for, so I'm super excited to see it. For those of you who don't know, 4Ocean is a company that produces bracelets made out of recycled materials that have been pulled out of the ocean. And you can buy a bracelet and that goes towards pulling 1 pound of trash out of the ocean. They've pulled over 4 million pounds now in the last, I believe, 2.5 years. It's really, really amazing. And for the last 2 years, they've been doing a subscription service where each month they do a different colored bracelet and 10% of it goes towards some sort of conservation. So you can sign up for a subscription or you can just buy the bracelet when they come out. But if you have a subscription, you do get it a little early, which is exciting, before anyone else does. This is not sponsored. I just really, really love their bracelets and I have basically all of them. You can check out my 4Ocean collection video, which I just put out. And also, if you would like to possibly win a 4Ocean bracelet yourself, you can head over to my giveaway, which will be ending at the end of April. So definitely go check that out on my video, Struggling with Worthiness and a Giveaway. So we are going to open up the May 2019 bracelet and I am super excited. So this is a little package it comes in. These are recyclable, which is really, really awesome. So I am going to open this up. I haven't done like a full video in a while. I usually post them on my Instagram. So this is kind of fun to be doing this again. A lot of people seem to really like them. So let's see. Oh, this is exciting. This is very exciting. So let's see. Alrighty. Okay. So unlike last year, they did like a whole box set, and I think a lot of people kind of had an issue with how much waste was being done with that. So now they're sending out all of their subscription bracelets in these little bags, which are super cute. So it looks like this month is for squid. Is that a squid or is it an octopus? We're gonna find out. Okay, so I love this. So with each bracelet, you get a little card talking about what it's for. So I'm going to read this. Octopuses. By the way, octopi is not correct. I want that to be clear. Octopuses is technically the correct plural. Octopuses are the ultimate masters of disguise. They can change their skin color and texture to match their surroundings, and their soft, pliable bodies can fit into impossibly small spaces. There are around 300 species of octopus, and they live anywhere from coral reefs to the deepest part of the ocean, open ocean. Octopus's natural habitats are being polluted by an unnatural predator, ocean plastic. This bracelet supports our partnership with Ocean Conservancy, a nonprofit organization that advocates for science-backed solutions and policies that protect the ocean. This bracelet represents your contribution to the clean ocean movement. Awesome. And this is also made with recycled materials. So that is very cool. So with each bracelet, you get your little card about what it's for, unless it's like one of the original 4Ocean bracelets. You get a little 4Ocean sticker, which I'm actually collecting quite a bit. So maybe I'll start like giving these out. And then you get the little bag. And in here you get a bracelet and yeah, there we go. You get a little 1 pound sticker. And you get your 4Ocean bracelet. So it's this really cute kind of neon orange color. Really love it. I did end up seeing this color originally. I always get kind of bummed. I like being surprised. But they always seem to post a shot of the bracelet before I get mine. But it is what it is. But I really love that it's for octopus. And I'm just really loving this. So put it over here with my whale, coral, and, oh my gosh, dolphin? No, what is this? Oh, no, Great Barrier Reef. This is the most recent bracelet here, so I'm going to slip this on right here. Let's see if I can get it. Sometimes these are a little tight. Come on, bracelet. All right, well, it's going to take me a minute. It's all good. So that is this month's 4Ocean bracelet. So this will be coming out May 1st. So definitely go over to 4ocean.com, pick up your octopus bracelet. They are fully made with recycled materials, plastic, metal, and glass. So they're really super cute. Definitely go and grab one. And they do have a couple other colors, I believe, as well currently. So thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to check out my other social media, the links to that are in the description down below. And thank you so much. Definitely give this a like and hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Many blessings. Namaste. And don't forget, it's all about the soul journey.